Welcome. In today's guide, you'll learn the simple steps to prevent location access on the Google Chrome app, ensuring your privacy stays protected and your browsing experience remains secure. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the main settings menu. This is where you control all the apps and permissions on your device. Take a moment to scroll through and find the option labeled Apps or sometimes App Management, depending on your phone's brand and software version. Once you're in the Apps section, you'll see a list of every app installed on your device. Scroll down until you find Google Chrome and tap on it. This will open up all the details and settings specific to Chrome. Next, look for the option called Permissions. Tap on it to see which features Chrome currently has access to, like your camera, microphone, and, most importantly, your location. Now find Location in the list of permissions. Tap on it, and you'll see several options for how Chrome can use your location data. To stop Chrome from accessing your location entirely, select Don't Allow or Deny. This setting ensures that Chrome won't be able to use your device's location for any browsing activity, blocking both websites and the app itself from tracking where you are. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've successfully blocked location access for Google Chrome on your phone. This means you'll have more control over your privacy, and you won't get those annoying prompts asking for your location when you browse. If you ever want to reverse this, just follow the same steps and allow location access again. Remember, keeping your location private is one of the easiest ways to protect your personal information online. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date privacy tips and tech tutorials. Stay safe and happy browsing.